Okay, number 11. I'm going to go to the whiteboard to do this. This is actually an easier problem than the prior problems. So I'm just going to move to the whiteboard and I'll copy it down. So the whiteboard, blow it up a little bit. And let's see. So f of x is number 11. Whoops, wrong pen, right? So f of x is equal to, and that's x cubed. Let's see, minus 5x squared plus 6x plus 11. Again, it's an equation that equals 0. So basically we're looking for the roots. And what do they want to do? They want the roots to be diminished by 5, which means we're going to have to shift the curve to the left 5 units. So that's going to be f of x plus 5. That'll shift the curve left 5 units. Standard translation. What do you have to do here? Well, you got to plug it in. So it's going to be x plus 5 cubed minus 5 x plus 5 squared plus 6 times x plus 5 plus 11. All right, there's a variety of ways of simplifying this. And I'll be perfectly honest with you, I don't mind the way it's written. So if someone said, oh, the equation is this, and they wrote this over here, x plus 5 cubed minus 5 x plus 5 squared plus 6 x plus 5 plus 11 equals 0, and they said that's their answer, I would say that's a fine answer. You have to start to realize that the point here is they want you to simplify it and write down the simplified form of that. So let me go through that with you. I don't think it's going to be that bad. And let's write this over here. So I'm going to write f of x plus 5. Well, let's do it. What do you get? X cubed plus 3 times x squared times 5. Let's see, 3 times x times 5 squared, which is 25. We'll simplify this later. And then 5 cubed, which is 125. So this term has been done. Now let's do this. A little more complicated, but let's write this down. Minus 5. I shouldn't say more complicated, but there is a couple of things I have to do. First of all, I got to square it. That's going to be x squared plus 10x plus 25. And then you're going to get, let's see, 6x plus 30 plus 11. All right, I'm going to keep moving forward on the simplification front. I get x cubed plus 15x squared plus 75x plus 125. Let's do the next line, which can be minus 5x squared minus 50x minus 125. All right, got that written down. And let's put the plus 6x down. Plus 30 plus 11. Line over here. Let's add together, and then we'll check the key to see if we got it. That's going to be 10x, whoops, plus 10x squared. Let's see, 25, 31x, and you can get 41. And that's what f of x plus 5 is. Of course, they want the equation written down. Let's write that down, and then we'll check it. All right, so I have to wake my computer up again, and I'll read it to you. It says x cubed plus 10x squared. Yep, all things are fine. So we got it. I also want to point out, I would definitely look at the graph they're presenting to you. What I mean by that, I'll show the graph over here. Let me blow it up a little tiny bit. And this is a partial graph of the function f and the translated form of it. We're removing the root. We're diminishing it by 5, right? Yeah. So we're moving it to the left 5 units. So just give you an idea what's happening over here. Again, we're not telling you what the roots are. We're just indicating this is the root on f. And what I do, I moved it 5 units to the left. And that's pretty obvious. There's only one real root there, 2 complex roots. All right, it's a cubic polynomial. Thank you.